Ladies and gentlemen, woo! I am fired up in today's video. We are talking Mongoose coin, baby, because why not, right? Now, Mongoose coin was born as a result of Representative Brad Sherman bad-mouthing crypto. And we'll get into this in just 1 second. Before we do, hit me up on Twitter at Real6Fig. This is where I'm dropping all the latest and greatest charts, things crypto-related, videos, TA, you name it, it is here. And we'll get into the TA in just a second. But Mongoose coin gained 110,000% within 24 hours after Congressman mocks it. Another looming cryptocurrency rug pull? Man, that is a headline. That is for sure. And hopefully I am not premiering or featuring Mongoose coin on one of my editions of Rug Pull Wednesday. This would be a tragedy. I do think that there could be a chance for some mass adoption on Mongoose coin. Hear me out. We never thought SHIB would get to where it's at. We never thought Dogecoin would get to where it's at. And we have Representative Brad Sherman, who has now cemented his place in crypto meme history. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a true winner that will not fade out in time like his hairline. So getting back to Mongoose coin, I think that there might be some adoption here. Call me crazy. This is not financial or trading advice whatsoever. I don't even know where you can buy the thing. But we're going to do some TA and just kind of see where this thing sits because I think it's funny as hell. Back to the charts. Here we got Mongoose coin, folks. What a brilliant little run-up that it had. This is just glorious. So let's see what we can learn from this. So Mongoose coin was born on December 8th, and this thing went for quite the run. And I'm going to just look at this thing on a 3-minute chart. And when I look at this, what I'm looking for is the succession of Elliott wave theory. So we're looking for these Elliott wave impulses, and I think that you could make the argument that, hey, there may be something right in here, definitely something right in here, and then obviously this climb to the top was something as well. Now, we can definitely see that there was a series of corrective waves to the downside. So we might be seeing somewhat of an A, B, C, D, E, somewhere in there, corrective wave that did occur. From there, it almost appears that we saw another run of some more Elliott wave theory. So things are getting fun again for investors. What a ride. And then we can see a very nice corrective wave to the downside. But now, where is our beloved Mongoose coin trading? Well, we don't really have any great concrete data. Even the hourly chart is very congested, and we don't even have a 50 moving average. We don't have Ichimoku cloud. It's very, very bare. So this is a very time sensitive video. I just want to make that clear. It seems that Mongoose coin has found some support right around this. Bear with me 1 second. Right around this 0.004 cent level. So this is very interesting to see that we have support at sub penny. And I'm not exactly sure how many Mongoose coin are even available. I really did struggle trying to figure out, where to buy this thing. Some of the specifics like volume, things of that nature. And I'm not sure how much I trust any of this information here. But one thing is for sure, we can see all of this happen, and we can possibly see a descending triangle. So I do think that right now, we are possibly gearing up to see Mongoose coin maybe start running for this Ichimoku cloud. We can see the conversion line is here. Let me just check one thing here. I just want to go through and make sure that this is set up the way I like it. And it is. Where is my baseline here? There it is. So you can see that this blue baseline is right above the conversion line. And if we start to see this conversion line arc upwards towards this 50 moving average, I think we're going to see a very rapid increase in price. And you can kind of see what happens when this conversion line arcs. This arcs here, boom, price takes off. Like I said, I'm not sure how on par these indicators and stuff like that are. So with this chart, there could be some misinformation or some misreporting, excuse me, that is going on. So with that said, let's roll a little bit of Fibonacci time sequence, and you can kind of see that, I think that we could make the argument that there may or may not be some time sequence here. Let me just measure one other point. Let's see what we got here. You know, it's really kind of hard to determine what's right and what's wrong, but we do have a reflection of time sequence on sequence 2. It was predicting a reversal somewhere around here, which within 15 minutes it worked out. Again, December 9th, it called a reversal point where things tipped, reversal point here to the upside, and a little bit of a reversal point here. So there is another time sequence coming up December 9th at 11 p.m. Central Time. And this is going to get really interesting to see where Mongoose coin trades from here. If it takes the next step down, or if we see some sort of rip to the upside. I just want to go over a couple other things. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We're not really going to get any crazy good Fibonacci, in my opinion, just based off of how new this is and the explosive potential. You know, that is what to come. Yet to come, excuse me. So let's just say Mongoose coin turns around. I do think that this thing has every chance of maybe squeezing up to the 61.8 or even retesting some of these all-time highs at 6 cents. Furthermore, if this thing went really crazy, and again, I don't know what the amount of coins are that are in circulation or anything like that, but you'll have to forgive me if this sounds a little bit ridiculous. Maybe even up to the 7.5 cent level. We saw a very explosive move right out of the gates, and if this thing kindles up, man, you never know. It could be the next Sheeb, it could be the next Dogecoin. We just don't know. It could be the next rug pull. For all I know, it's just crazy. Here's what we got on the daily chart, folks. 2 green candles. So it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the TA and news on Mongoose here. It's gonna get interesting, to say the least. I'm excited to kind of see what happens here. Are we gonna see a break outside of this descending triangle? Nobody knows. We'll check in on this one again. See you guys on the next video. Big shout out to all the Patreons. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon, $3 a month will get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner. I highly recommend that you do not trade this coin. Again, this is not financial or trading advice. Do not FOMO into it or anything silly.